Okay, I just finished adjusting my valves on the bike, and I just put everything back together, fired her up for a little bit, let her get warmed up, and I'm pretty convinced that I think I got rid of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it up here and let you guys have a listen and see if I'm missing anything. Alright? Oops. Get the choke out. Everything sounds pretty normal over here. That rattle is definitely gone. And I'm pretty sure it's gone on this side as well. I also listened with mechanic stethoscope, see if I could hear anything maybe that I wasn't catching with just my naked ear here. But anyway, I think she's gonna be okay, maybe. But you guys let me know, huh?